In this video, we're going to learn how to add products to your WooCommerce store. So you can add products, different kinds of products to your WooCommerce store. Now you can add physical products, digital products. Now these are some of the products that you can add. You can add simple products, which can be both physical and digital. You can add virtual products. You can add downloadable products. You can add group products. You can also add external products or affiliate products, and then you can also add variable products, which can also be both physical and then digital products or downloadable products. Okay, so these are the kinds of products that you can be able to add. So now let's go into our WooCommerce store and then start adding products over there. Now we're going to go to our dashboard over here, our WordPress dashboard. Now we're going to hover on product over here. So as you can see, we have product over here. Hover on product and then we can click on add new over here. Now first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to add simple product. Okay, so a simple product is a product which is not having any variation. So we are grouping our product into two: simple product and then variable product. Then after that, we will come back to how we can be able to add virtual product, digital product, downloadable product, group product, external product or affiliate product, and then we come to the end of this part of the chapter. So first of all, let's add a simple product. So a simple product could be any product. It could be even a downloadable product without any variation. So what we mean by that is that it doesn't have any variation. It is just a simple product. You just need to just add that product to cart and then you are good to go. So what we have to do is just enter the product name, you enter the product description over here, and then you choose simple product over here. Okay, and then you give a name for the product. So you could have physical product or even digital or downloadable product. Okay, any of the products could be just a simple product. So let's go with just a physical product. So let's say this is a TV that we're gonna just add. Okay, so I'm gonna say Samsung TV. Okay, so let me say 42-inch TV, 42-inch TV. Okay, and then I'll come over here, and then I'm not going to give any variations to it because it's just a simple product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a long description. So this place is a long description, and then when you scroll down, this place is a short description. Okay, so you see the difference when we would publish the product. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go to just Google and then just search for dummy content or dummy text, and then we will be able to get some filters to be able to use for our website. So I'm going to go dummy text generator over here. I'm going to copy some few things over here. So I'm just going to copy something small, copy it, come back to my website, and then over here I'm going to give it a long description. You can give paragraphs to it. You can also add images if you want to add images. Okay, you can give titles and all those kind of stuff, but we're not going to do that. We will come over here, and then over here make sure that you choose simple product, because that is exactly what we are doing, simple product. Now do not check these boxes. Okay, so because one is virtual, one is downloadable, that is not what we need. And then over here under general over here, give the price of it. So let's say this one is let's say 850 USD, and then we also have a sale price. Now sale price is when the price has been reduced. Okay, so let's say the regular price is this one, and then it has been reduced to, let's say, maybe 650 or something. Okay, you can also do that, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to give the price over here, and then you come to inventory over here. So you can stock keeping unit, you can give it any amount of thing that you. So this is what Samsung, so I want to say SS001, and then or SS maybe 0042 because it's 42 inches, and then I'll come over here and then I'll say if I want to manage what stock, okay, so track the quantity of the stock. So if I click over here, you see that the quantity available, I can be able to add it. So let's say I have 50 in stock, okay, and then if I want to allow back orders, I can do that. That means that people can be able to buy from the shop without the website. You can also be able to do that, but I'm not going to allow. And then also the stock threshold, if it is about to get finished, what is the threshold that you want to get notified about? So the 2 is the minimum or the required for the site wide, which is okay. And then if you want to sell it individually, meaning that nobody can be able to buy 3, 4, 5, just one at a time, you can take this place, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it as it is. And then I'm just going to copy some few text over here and then bring it down as the short description, okay, so that you I want you to know the difference when we publish it. And then when you come over here to shipping, also you can set the weight and all those things, and then choose a shipping class, but we will come there also later on. And then link product and attribute and all those kind of stuff. Now we're not going to give it any attribute. Of course, if you want to give it the size, the color, and all those things, those are kind of variations that you give it to a variable product, okay, so we're not going to enter over there. So this is just a simple product, and all what we need to do is to set the product image for it. So we're going to go and then select the product image. So I'm going to go and choose the image that I want to use for the website, for the product. So I'm going to go over here and then choose product 1 for it, or let me just upload all the products so that you just see the product that we are using. So I'm going to just upload all of them. So it is just product 1, product 2, product 3, okay, so no big difference about it. So this is what the product 1 that we are dealing with, and then we set the image over here, and then we can go ahead, scroll down over here, and then if you want to categorize it, you can also do so. So we add new category over here, and then we're gonna call the category as maybe TV, okay, and then we add the category, and then under here we're gonna add what our tags. So we say Samsung TV. We can add this one. We can even add TV to it, and then we can add what Samsung, okay, and then we can add it. Then after that we can go ahead and then click on publish, okay, so just click on publish over here to publish your simple product. Okay guys, so as you can see, we can go ahead and then view our simple product. So let's go ahead and view our simple product in a new tab over here, and this is our simple product. So this is just a simple product that we have over here. So as you can see, this is the name of the product, this is the price, this is the short description, okay, and then the stock available, and then also if somebody wants to buy, the person can choose. This is the SKU that we set for it, the category, the tags, and then as you can see, this is the description, the full description that we used for it, okay. So this is just a simple product without no variation. So that is how you can be able to set up a simple product. Now let's go ahead and then create a variable product, okay. So we're going to create a variable product so that we know the difference between the simple and a variable product. So let's go ahead. So we're going to click on add new over here, or you can go ahead and click on add new. So I'm going to click on add new over here, and then over here I'm going to add the so let's say iPhone, okay. So I'm going to choose an iPhone. So let's say an iPhone 15, okay. So iPhone 15, and then I'm going to give a full description over here. So I'm going to go to the dummy, choose it, copy the text over here, come over here, give it a paragraph in it so that it will be nice. Let me give it another paragraph. Let's say this one over here, and then over here under the product data over here, instead of simple product, I'll click over here and I'm going to choose variable product, okay. So I want to choose variable product, and then at the moment I did that, you see it is giving me an alert that start by adding attributes. Okay, add attributes like size and color for customers to choose from on the product page. We will use them to generate your product variation. So said I got it. So now over here I can also go ahead and then add the attributes that I want to add. So I want to go ahead and add attributes. So what are the attributes that I want to add? So I want to add just one attribute. Okay, so color. Okay, so just want to go ahead and add color. And then over here, now read what is over here first so that you understand. It says what? Enter options for customers to choose from. So blue or large or use or whatever it is. Okay, and then use this one to separate the options. So different options. So I want to add color. So what kind of color do I want? So I'm going to start with black. Okay, and then I'll use this one to separate it. I'll come with let's say gold. Okay, and then I'll use this one to separate it. I'll come with white again, and then I'll use this one to separate it. And then let's say I'm gonna go with maybe blue. Okay, and then that is it. So these are my variations that I want, the values for the color that I want to use. Now you can add different variations for it. It depends on what you are adding. Okay, or attributes for it depends on what you're adding. Now over here it says what? Visible on the product page. Do you want it to be visible on the product page? Yes, I want it to be visible. And then use for variations. Do you want to use it for the variation? Yes, I want to use for variation. So I can click on save attribute over here, and then you are good to go. Now you can go ahead and add another variations too if you want to add. So let's say the color, let's say you are selling t-shirts or any kind of shirts. You can have color and you can have size. Okay, so you can also add size to it, but this is just color for me. I'll go to variations over here, and then over here I'm going to generate variations. Okay, so you can either add them manually or you can generate variations. So I'm going to generate variation based on the attribute that I added. So I'm going to click on generate, and then it will tell me that do you want to generate all variations. This will create a new variation for each and every possible combination of variation attributes. Okay, so it is 50 maximum per run. So yes, I want to do that, so I'm going to go okay, and then it will generate all the variations for me. So as you can see, we have iPhone 15 black, 15 gold, 15 white, 15 blue. Okay, now it is alerting me that 4 variations do not have prices. It means that we don't have prices for all of them. You can either go inside here and add images and prices individually, or you can go ahead, click over here and add your prices, or you can even do bulk action. Okay, come over here and then you see prices over here, set regular prices. Okay, so I'm going to set regular prices, and then I'll say maybe it is let's say 2,500 for each of them. Okay, and then I'll click OK. So it's going to set all the prices for each of them for me. So if I click inside over here, the price is the 2,500. If I click over here, the price is the 2,000. Unless maybe the prices are different, okay, then you can do it individually or manually over here. So now that we are done, now we're gonna set our short product description. So we're gonna put it over here. So I'm just going to delete this one over here, make it this one my short product description. Now I can also go ahead and then set up my product image. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my product image. I'm going to choose product number 2 over here and then set it up. Okay, so if I'm done, I can also go ahead and then set up my my product category. So I'm going to click over here and then say maybe mobile phones. Okay, and that is that category that we're going to use. And then I will go ahead and set up the tags for it. So this is an iPhone 15. I'll click add. It's also an iPhone again. I'll click add, and then it's a mobile mobile phone. I'll click add. Okay, so now that I'm done, all what I need to do is to go ahead and then click on publish over here to publish my variable product. Okay, so let's take a look at our variable products that we've added. So I'm gonna click on it to open for me, and then if I go over here, this is my my variable product, and as you can see, we have color to choose from, so we can decide to choose different colors that we want. So as you can see, we can choose from black, gold, white, blue. Okay, and that is how you can be able to add variable product. Now we have added a variable product, we have added a simple product. Now let's look at how we can add a downloadable product. Okay, so I'm going to close this, I'm going to close this one also, and now we're going to add a downloadable product. So how can we add a downloadable product? So let's say you are creating a product for ebooks or music or whatever it is. Okay, so we are going to click on add new over here to add our product, and then to add a product. So let's say it is an ebook that I am adding. So let's say how to make a man cry. So how to make a man cry is the name of my ebook, and then I can give a long description over here. Okay, so just like we do it all the time, we're gonna give how do you call it, we're gonna give paragraphs for it. Okay, so this is the long description. Now over here, see that we have what we have. Choose, make sure that your product is on either simple or variable, it doesn't really matter, but it is just an ebook and it is just one book. Okay, so what we are going to do is we're going to just leave it as simple product over here, and over here we will choose what downloadable. Okay, since we're going to add some files for people to download, make sure that you check this one as what downloadable, and then set your price over here. So let's say it is what 99 USD, and then when you come over here, it says downloadable files. So what are the files that you want people to download? So I'm going to click on add over here and then choose the file. Okay, so choose the file that you want people to download, and then you can either upload the a PDF file, a zip file, or any file that you want people to download on it. So let's say I want to go ahead, select the product, and then let me see if I can get a PDF for people to download. So let me go to okay, so let's say I want to use this one. Okay, so let me just use this one. Click on open over here, and then that is the product that I want people to download. Okay, so I'm going to untick this one. Okay, so you see that at the moment I clicked on I uploaded the product, it has added a different text over here for me. So that is what is securing the product for me. Okay, so that is it. So I'm going to click on insert file URL, and then that is it. So the URL has been inserted. Now I can go ahead and then name the file and say what, how to make a man cry. Okay, so now that I'm done with it, now the download limit, what do I want, how, like, do I want them to download unlimited, or do I have, you know, a limit on the downloads that they are going to download? So let's say I want to leave it unlimited. So at the moment you buy it, you can download it as long as you still have access to the website. Okay, so then the download never expires. So maybe you want it just a year and then it will expire. You can enter the days that you want. So let's say a year will be 365 days. After 365 days, your download will expire, and that is it. So let's say you want them to, you know, have access to it for 30 days. So after 30 days, the download will expire. So it depends on you, but you can also remove it and say it will never expire. And then you can come to inventory. Now inventory, because this one is a downloadable product, we just want when they can only buy one. Okay, so we want to enable this one which says sold individually. Okay, so we're gonna click over here, tick over here, which is what, sold individually. Now of course we don't want to manage stock is always available, so we're gonna leave it like that. And then it doesn't have any shipping thing. So we will say what? We'll click on the virtual thing so that the shipping will disappear. Okay, so at the moment we click on the virtual, you see that the shipping disappears. And then we are not linking it, it doesn't have any attribute, we just leave it as it is. Now we can come over here and then give it a short description that we want to give it. So I'm just going to delete this one, and then maybe delete this one also, then give it a short description. Now I can go ahead and then add, let's say this one is a digital product. Okay, so digital, and then I can check it over here, and then you know, add product tags to it. So if I want to add product tags to it, so I'll say ebook. Okay, anything that you want to add, you can add it over here. Now I can add my product image, so set my product image over here. I can add the product image over here. So this is product 3. I can go ahead and add it. So guys, if you look down over here, we said product gallery. Now product gallery, what it means is that if the product have so many pictures and you want, you know, viewers to view, customers to view more pictures of the product, you can go ahead and add these products over here, these product images over here. Okay, so that is it. Now after that, just click on publish over here, and then you are good to go. So let's go ahead and view the product. Okay, so we're gonna view the product. So I'm gonna click over here to view the product. And now guys, this is how to make a man cry, and this is the product. It is sold individually over here, and that is it. So this is the description over here, and that is how the product works. Okay, the downloadable product. So if somebody add the product to cart over here, the person can go ahead and view the cart. Okay, go ahead and proceed to checkout. Now if the person, you know, fill in all the details and other stuff and then place the order, the person will get access to download link to download the product. And that is all what downloadable products are all about. Okay, so now that we know how to create a downloadable product, now let's go ahead and create a group product. So we're going to create a group product. Now what are group products? So group products are products which are groups, they are grouped together. Okay, so you can buy, you know, separate groups under one product, and that is all about group product. So for example, I can create, let's say I want to create, you know, a group product. So I go ahead, click on add new over here, and I'm going to call this one group product. So group product. Okay, so this is a group product. So group product, I can give, you know, a long description for it, and then I can go ahead and also give a short description for it. So let me just go ahead and delete this one, making this one a short description. Okay, so now that I have this one done, now if I click over here, I will see grouped product over here. Okay, so I'm gonna click on it, and as you can see, all the products all the options are gone. Okay, so because it is grouped product, so it means that I have some product I wanted to group under this particular product. Okay, so that is it. So let's go to link product. So I want to link the product over here, and then the grouped product, I can select the product that I want to group it under this particular one. So I can click over here, and then let's say I want to group some few products under it. So I'll say how to make a man cry is one product. I also say TV. Okay, so let's say some song TV is also another product. Okay, so these are the product, and then maybe iPhone is also another. So these three products, I want to group it under this particular group product. Okay, so basically that is it. Now you know, if you have advanced, you can leave, you know, click on the menu order or whatever it is that you want to do, but basically this is all what you have to do. Okay, and then you can just select your category for it, and then go ahead and then add an image for it. So let's say I want to add different image for it. So let me just use, let me see if I can get okay, so let me just use this particular image over here. Now click on set product image. Now that I am done, I can go ahead and click on publish. Okay guys, so now let's go and see how our product, our grouped product looks like. So we're gonna click over there to view our product, and this is our group product. So as you can see, we have you know, how to make a man cry. We have this one over here, how to you know, the Samsung over here. We have the iPhone over here. So you select the one that you want, and then you can go ahead and then, now because this one is a variable product, it's not really showing well. You need to select options for it, okay? But of course we can go ahead over here, remove that one from it, so we can decide to go to link product over here, and then maybe remove, which one is the variable? So this one over here, we can decide to remove it, and we can decide to yeah, just that one, and then go ahead and then publish it or update it, and then let's see how it looks like. So with a group product, you can, you know, select so many products and buy it under one, okay? And that is how the group products really works. All right, so we can select this one, and then we can also what, you know, choose any one of these ones, and then we can click to add to cart. And as you can see, they said you cannot add. Oh, okay, so we have, you know, this one already in the cart. So let's view cart and see how it looks like. So as you can see, we have these two things over there. Now let me just, you know, remove them, remove this one also, and then go back to the shop page, and then let's go to our group product over here. And now we can select different products, you know, together, okay? So let's say I have three, I want two of this one, and then I'll add them to cart. And as you can see, I can go ahead and view my two products. So as you can see, I have these two products. So now this is really best when you have some products, you want to group them together, and then so that people can be able to select them and buy together, okay? So as you can see, this is how it looks like. I can go ahead and proceed to check out, and then buy the product, the two products, if I want to. So that is how you can be able to create group product. Now our next one is external product, external or affiliate product. So let's say you are an affiliate, you know, marketer. You want to use your website to market your affiliate links, okay? But you want them to look like they will buy it on your website, but rather when they click on add to cart, it will send them to their your affiliate links over there. And that is exactly what we're going to do. So I'm going to add new product over here, and then what we are going to do is we're going to name this one as what, affiliate. You know, let's say I am selling Elementor template, or I'm selling Elementor plugin, okay, or Elementor hosting. So I'm going to say Elementor hosting over here. And then with Elementor hosting, what I need to do is I need to just give it, you know, a description over here, and then go ahead and give it a short description to over here, okay? So I'm just going to delete some of these things over here, and then over here what I want to do is just change from simple to external or affiliate product. Now as you can see, at the moment we change it, we have the link that they have to click on over here. So the link over here, so now let's say my link it let's say Kitech Digital, okay, so https /Elementor. Okay, so let's say this is my affiliate link over here. Now with the button text over here, I can decide to say see details or buy now. Okay, so let me say buy now, and then the regular price. So if let's say the regular price is let's say 99, and then it has been reduced to, let's say, 45, you state it over there. Now I can go to inventory over here, and then because it is affiliate, there is nothing to show over here. If you want to link it with a different product, you can also do an upsell for it. The attribute also, you can just list the attribute also over here, and then the advanced, if you want to have something done, you can do so. But basically all what you need is this particular one over here, and then I'll just give it an a category of affiliate product, and then I'll this is a tag. Okay, so I'm just going to go over here, add new category, put in affiliate product over here, and then click on add. And then over here we can set up our tags. So this is what Elementor, we can put it over. You can add more tags over here, and then we can set up our image. So I'm going to set up the image, product image. I can choose any product, so I'm going to say product 4 over here, and then set it up over here, and then click on publish to publish our product. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and then click on view product to view the product that we just published. So I'm going to click ahead and go over and view the product. So as you can see, this is what our Elementor product over here. So this looks very nice. Now we can go ahead and click on buy now. Okay, so since it is an affiliate, it's not going to sit on our website. It's going to direct us to a different website. So if we click on buy now over here, it will take us to the affiliate site over here, and that is how it is going to be like. So as you can see, it takes us to Elementor hosting plans, and we can choose our hosting plans over here. Basically that is how it works. Then that is what affiliate or external product. All right guys, so our next one, which is our final one that we're going to talk about, is a virtual product. Okay, so virtual products are basically products which you're not going to provide any download links. You're not going to provide any let's say physical product, but they are virtual. So like, let's say consultancy, calls, all those services that you provide for people. You can do SEO services and all those things, web design services, all those things are what virtual product. Okay, so you can create them as virtual products. So we're gonna go and click on add new to add our virtual product over here, and then I'm going to say maybe 60 minutes web consult consultancy service or consultancy service. Okay, so just 60 minutes web consultancy service. So over here I can add my details over here. Okay, so let me just go over and just copy some dummy text over here, come over here, paste it over here, and then over here is a simple product, but we're going to choose what virtual product over here. Okay, so just virtual, not download, because we're not going to download anything, just virtual over here. And then click over here to add your price. So let's say 60 minutes is, let's say, 99 USD, and then or maybe 199 USD. Okay, and then I've reduced it to, let's say, 99 USD. And then inventory over here, make sure that you say sold individually. Okay, so if you want to link product to a different thing, you can do upsell and cross sell. And then if there are attributes, you can also do it. But over here you can add in your purchase note. Okay, so the purchase note is after purchasing the thing, what are the notes that the person is going to say. So maybe I'll say send me your order number number to book for the call. Okay, so basically you can put in maybe you know, and WhatsApp number or something like that. So send me your order number to book for a call on this number, and then you put in your number over there. So plus 2332, you can put it anything over there, and then if you want to enable reviews to enable it, and then I think that is all. So if there is a short description for it, you can also put that short description over there. Okay, so I'm going to just put the short description over here, and then basically you can go ahead and then, you know, choose the category that you want it to fall on. So this is what virtual. Okay, so I'm going to add it, and then add the product image of also over here. So I'm going to just add some random person over here. So let's say I'll add this guy over here, and then just set the product image, and then I can decide to publish it. Alright guys, so the product has been published, the virtual product has been published. So now we can go ahead and click on it to view how it looks like. So basically this is how it looks like. So as you can see over here, so it was 199, that has been reduced to 99 USD. Now this is what the consultancy service you know, call that you can make to for this particular product. Okay, so the person will be able to add it to cart, and then after adding and paying everything, you can book you know, the call, and then you guys will schedule the meeting, and then you can, you know, do whatever it is that you have to do for the person. And that is what virtual product. Okay, so guys, we've talked about so many products. We've talked about simple products, we've talked about virtual products, we've talked about downloadable products, we talked about group products, external product, and then we've also talked about what variable product. Okay, so both digital and physical, we've talked about all those products, and this is how you can be able to add products to your WooCommerce store.